In this video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. Now on your Facebook application, you have to tap on the menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the menu, you have to tap on the settings icon which is present at the top right side of your screen. Now on the settings and privacy, you have to tap on the very first option that says see more in account center. So now on your account center, you have to tap on profiles. In profiles, select your Facebook account. Now tap on username. Once you are in username, you have to delete the current username of yours, then type in the new username that you wish to use on your Facebook account. So once you're done, you have to tap on done on your keyboard, then tap on done which is present at the bottom side of your screen. So once you do that, you will be able to easily change your username on your Facebook application. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.